How do you feel, honey?
Good.
Are you okay?
Okay, I'm gonna
Feeling
get
better?
the
Merry
last
Christmas.
few presents over here.
Are you feeling better? I hope so. You get so many presents at Grammy's house. Bye, baby.
Well, I guess. Honey, I'm trying. It's not working. So we'll have to figure it out. Maybe it needs a battery in there.
I'm moving some of the presents over here just to how they are. So, Mom. So, move out of the way for a sec. Mom, catch.
Charlie's first Christmas.
Can you just hold her for now and we'll figure it out? Right.
Who's that from?
Sophie from Mom and Dad.
Oh, that one.
Oh, it's a Sophia puzzle. You got lots of puzzles. Good job. Come up here. Come
Who's
over
that for, bud?
Me.
From?
We'll open this one too. Come here.
Anna.
Nice.
You okay?
Yeah,
Yeah, we will. We'll figure it out. What's this? Oh, stars.
The movie
ceiling.
planes. Not the Wii, the movie.
Fun.
Now you get the movie.
Now I got the movie and the Wii game.
I've never played it, bud. I mean, I've never seen it. I didn't see planes with you guys.
Unbelievable. Nice. Thanks, Anna. Okay.
I love your hat.